Hey friends, welcome to another session of Do Not Get It Right. So in today's session, we will listen about do not stop giving if you want to keep getting. Yes, do not stop giving if you want to get. That is a universe law. That is a true law that we have from the universe. You get what you give. If you give, you get. But what we actually do? What do we really do about it? Are we so open to give? Are we so eager to give away things that we have? We always try to conserve the things that we have. We are so afraid. We are so fearful that we do not try to give. We are so afraid that, and we try to conserve and preserve whatever we have got, thinking that somebody might steal it away from me, thinking that somebody might take it away from me. Be it my knowledge, be it my money, be it my energy, whatever be it, I am trying to conserve it and not give it away because I'm afraid that I might lose it all when I do not understand the fact that giving is what will attract more of what I have now. Until I give all that I have, I won't be getting more of it. That is just so simple, which we really fail to understand. We honestly fail to understand. We are so fear driven, we are so afraid, and we are so negative of our life that if we earn $1 million, what we will do is we'll go and keep it in a savings account. If we earn $1 million, we will go and invest in something where we are not going to get anything out of it, but we will still be going to conserve it. We will not be giving it away. We will not be ready to expend it completely. And it's not only about money, it's about the energy that we are conserving within ourselves. It is about the knowledge that we are conserving within ourselves. All of us have a lot of knowledge. All of us have vast amount of learnings from our life. But do we ever give it away? Do we ever think of giving it away? No, because we are so afraid, we are so fearful and so negative about everything in the life and the universe that we feel that if we give, what would we be left with? But that is not how the law of universe works. The more you give, the more you get is what the law of universe is. And universe's law is not a cheater. It is not going to cheat us. It is not going to lie us. It is the nature. It is the nature of the universe to keep giving you back if you give to the universe. Yes, that is how the universe works. And naturally, we also want that, right? We want to be praised. We want to be recognized for being the biggest donor in the society. We want to be recognized as somebody who is so much into giving away things. But when it comes about ourselves, we wait. We wait to get something from somebody. And we complain that the government did not give us this, the economy did not give us this, and we keep waiting to get something without giving away anything. Does your until and unless your cupboard is emptied, will you ever think of buying a new pair of shirt? Until and unless you throw the old pair of shoes, do you think of buying a new one? Until and unless you give away your old mobile, do you even think of buying a new mobile? No. So you have to give what you have to get something new, get something of more value, get something bigger and better. So start giving away. Start giving away today your knowledge, your time, your experience, your suggestions. Give yourself 100%. And you will see the difference. You will see the difference when you are giving away everything that you have without expecting things in return. Yes, you have to make this a point. When you are giving away things, do not hold yourself back because you will expect to get back quickly. Do not hold yourself back. Give away with full confidence. Give away with a full belief that you would be getting. If you are giving away, you have that confidence in you, and then give. And then when you give, you have to give your energy, your enthusiasm, your ideas, your offerings. In a whole, if I say, you have to give yourself 100%, and it need not be your money. You have to understand you need not always give away your money. You have a lot more things, a lot more valuable things than money. Yes, your energy is much more value. Your knowledge is of much more value. Your offerings, your enthusiasm, your ideas, they have a lot more value than a few pieces of paper. Yes, they have a lot more value. And if you are able to give away those to people who need, to people who really need those things, they are going to say for you, they are going to pray for you, and that is not going to be unheard. If you will have so many people talking about you, saying about you, respecting you for the way you give, for how many things you have given away in your life, you will see things getting back. You will see how you get back and the volume that you get back things in. It will at least be 10x, if not 100 times, or if not 1000 times, it will at least be 10 times of what you have given. Try giving. Make your habit of giving away things. Yes, make your identity that you are a giver. You always give away things. Anybody who comes to you, you give them back with so many things. Your love, you are giving. You are just giving and giving and giving. And if you build up that attitude, if you build up with that in your practice, if you build up that as your habit of giving and giving and giving, nobody can stop you from becoming the most successful person in your life, because you will keep getting a lot of things. Need not be material. Material things are not always the best things in life. You will be getting a lot of things. Carries a lot more value than what some pieces of paper carry. So make sure that you are giving a lot if you want to get a lot. If you are miser on the front of giving away things, you will always be miser when you are getting things. So do not be average. Do not think small. Think big. Give away big and be ready to get big, gain big, and be the most successful person. So I hope this brings in some perspective in you to give away and get things of your choice. Yes, if you have any questions and if you feel that do not agree to what I am saying, do let me know in the comments, and do like and subscribe me and keep watching my videos for more on Do Not Get It Right. Do Not Get It Right with Savan Kumar. Have a good day. Bye-bye.